into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way.
So guys, I just finished from court. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright. Bye-bye.
You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road. And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine? And if you could read my mind, will you cross this room tonight, tonight?
That's the prop I used for filming this soft little tutorial. I'll be heading off now to my hairstylist. I need to make my hair. I want to make something very easy, very simple, not too complicated, but you guys will see it. I've been leaving my hair like this for a long time because I didn't want to stress my hair. I wanted my hair to take a break, a breather. This hair has really suffered. So I wanted, let me just do something very simple, but that will not require me putting on wigs for at least 1 or 2 weeks. So yeah, maybe my room is a mess. It's really a mess, but I'll put it together before I leave. That's the new habit. We have to always clean up the house so you come back to a new, renewed, fresh space. So let's just put this all together, okay? Keep you guys here.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, there. Anyone more falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. This will never go wrong. This will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. 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 Yeah, yeah. This will never go wrong. This will never go wrong. I know that this will never go. This will never go wrong.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Say hi. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. I hope you guys are doing great. Okay, it's Sunday here and this video will be going up today, but I just finished cooking. I made beans and fish porridge, so I was tired of making the conventional rice every Sunday. Renee, please, can I talk? I was tired of making the conventional rice every Sunday. I tried to make beans porridge today and it was so good. It was really delicious. It was what my body needed and I feel way better. I want to edit this video you guys are watching now. Yes, this one you're currently seeing, it's going to go up today. I also need to go out for filming with my friend. We have a video to film together, Ebere Maduka. You guys know her on this channel. Also have one or two things to do today, but I'll take you guys along hopefully. But yeah, I'm back now. I feel better, I feel refreshed. So we're back to back. I got a fragrance. I got a new fragrance that I just finished shooting for. I made a reels. I'm trying to be very consistent on Instagram in terms of reels, and I did a reel on that video on that fragrance. It's the YSL perfume, not the intense though, the lighter one. So I got that one and I made a video about it. And my other perfume I used to use got broken, so ever since then I've not had any motivation to get any new perfume. But something happened this past week. Like, I've been going through a lot of stress and the country wanted to frustrate me, but God came through and I decided to just spoil myself, you know, because I spent a lot of money. So why will you be spending money for only when there's problem? Why not spend money on yourself? So I decided to just spoil myself. And if you know me on this channel, you know that whenever I am stressed, what gives me happiness, what is so therapeutic to me, is shopping. So I had to go shop for that perfume. Like, it was so impromptu. I entered everyday supermarket to get meat pie. The one in GRA, they have one of the best meat pie. If I haven't told you guys, yes, I've tried the Market Square one, but you see the one from Everyday, not the fast food though, not their fast food. I mean the bakery section in Everyday supermarket. The one in GRA, I haven't tasted any other bakery section, but the one in GRA, tried their meat pie and thank me later. So I entered there. I'm currently addicted to that meat pie, so I entered there to get meat pie, and I was just scrolling through and I had this some of the things I want to acquire this year. I had this screenshot of YSL perfume for a long time. I was like, okay, why not just get it? You have the money, why not get it? Because something else nearly took that money from me, guys. Like, something serious nearly took that money from me. It wasn't even that serious, but I was willing to give that money out, okay? But why not just spoil that money on yourself? So I just got the perfume. So yeah, so we've gotten one of the things we wanted this year out of the way. So yeah, because I actually was not going to get another perfume for a long time after my Les Bell. I'll put it on the screen so you see the perfume I'm talking about. But yeah, after that one broke, my kids broke it, I was like, no, I'll stick with my body sprays and everything. But I got this one, and this one is nice. I've been eyeing it for a long time though, but I decided just just get it. So yeah, I hope you guys are fine. I hope you're good. I'm going to end this vlog here. If you enjoy this vlog, it's very all over the place, but if you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Okay, you guys should be gingering me by sharing my video, watching my video, so I can have ginger to come on here and post videos. Okay, all right, but without that being said, I love you guys a lot for your support. For every one of you that checked up on me on Instagram, God bless you. I love you. I appreciate you. I'm fine. I just needed to rest, okay, for my mental health. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Okay, bye bye.